Hello, welcome to Simply Linux, and today we're going to look at something that not many people outside the PCLinuxOS will know about, and that is in Synaptic we have tasks. Tasks are meta packages for many things, and I will bring up Synaptic now and show you what I mean. Now, I've just updated my system so it's all good. So if we go to search and do task dash, you'll see that we have different things needing for tasks. Right. Okay, we got Java, got Belgian languages for KDE, KDE-Plasma task, which is what I will be installing soon, task lamp for a lamp stack. We have task LXDE, Qt, Mate Extra, task multimedia, task printing. Of course, we got the printing for Lexmark and HP, and I know I swore there with Lexmark, didn't it? Okidata, task printing scanning, we got task print audio remove if you don't want it. Task Q4, task Samba, task scanning, task wine. Task X11, which brings a lot of stuff. Task XSCE. So today I'm going to be doing task KDE-Plasma. So I just mod up for installation. You can see it's going to bring down with it audio thumb frameworks, Blue Devil, Blue Qt, Breeze, Dolphin. Basically what is needed for a Plasma desktop. It will drag all this in. We'll mark that in. Now we'll notice that it's got English language for the KDE up here, but I'm not going to even think about dragging that in yet. Okay, we're back, and yes, you'll probably notice a wallpaper change. Task Plasma KDE is installed. It took a bit longer than I wanted to because my internet decided to go down and come back up. Start to refresh the install kind of thing. It's added Dolphin to my desktop, as you can see there, and I'm still in Openbox. It also changed my wallpaper, and off camera I changed it to this for now. Anyway, that's that installed, so what I'm going to do now is log out and log back into Plasma KDE, and I'll continue recording from there. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, I'm back, and I don't have any wallpaper, but here is, oh, I do have wallpaper, I lied. I'm back, and it's like I've just literally just logged in and hit the record button on Simple Screen Recorder. All my stuff seems to be okay. Let's see. Office, yep. I don't have any Office installed, of course. Sound, yeah, all my pulse effects are there, and blah blah, all that stuff. I've got Kdenlive installed, Flowblade, yep. Okay, so yeah, that's how you use task on PCLinuxOS. Of course, for some reason Synaptic isn't showing up in the software manager here, which is interesting, but we know it's there anyway. So it hasn't picked up all my menus yet, but that's okay. Of course, there's tasks for many other things as well. Tasks for English, of course, LED, but you can just about install quite a lot of things using task, which will just bring in everything that you need. If I wish to add Mate to this, of course, I'll just use the task Mate. I don't know what else it would install. It would install all that. And of course, Taxel LXQt will bring in its LXQt stuff, and so on and so forth. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday, and I will be seeing you soon. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Yeah, you can subscribe and support me in other ways, of course. Links in the description. Yeah, that's about all I have to say. Have a very good Sunday. Take care. Be safe. Thank you for watching.